Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Practice Podcast.
Hi, guys. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Today's topic is very useful. We will talk about at the bus stop and asking for directions.
Yes, this is real-life English. You can use it when you travel, go to school, or visit a new place.
Don't worry if you are a beginner. We will speak slowly, clearly, and we will repeat important sentences.
And remember, you are learning step by step. You're doing great already.
Before we start, don't forget to follow and subscribe to our podcast.
All right, let's begin.
Part 1. Basic situation. At the bus stop.
Imagine this. You are at a bus stop. You don't know which bus to take.
Yes, this is very common. So what can you say?
You can say, "Excuse me."
Simple and polite. Repeat after me. Excuse me.
Good job. Now the next sentence. Which bus goes to the market?
Let's break it. Which bus goes to the market?
Repeat. Which bus goes to the market?
Very good. That's a great question. Listen. Excuse me, which bus goes to the market?
Take bus number 5.
Did you hear that? Take bus number 5. Very easy. Take bus number plus the number.
You can also say, take bus number 10. Take bus number 2.
Nice. Now repeat. Take bus number 5. Listen again. Excuse me, which bus goes to the market?
Take bus number 5.
Part 2. Asking for direction. Now let's learn another useful sentence.
You can say, how do I go to the bus station?
Repeat. How do I go to the bus station?
Great. You can change bus station to any place.
For example, how do I go to the hospital? How do I go to the school?
Listen. Excuse me, how do I go to the bus station?
Go straight and turn left. Let's understand this. Go straight means don't turn.
Yes, just go forward.
Turn left means go to the left side.
You can also hear, turn right.
Repeat with me. Go straight, turn left, turn right.
Perfect. You're improving already.
Listen again.
Excuse me, how do I go to the bus station?
Go straight and turn left. Part 3. Asking about time.
Now let's learn how to ask about time.
Very important at a bus stop.
You can say, when does the bus arrive?
Repeat. When does the bus arrive?
Good. Another one. What time is the bus?
Repeat. What time is the bus? Listen. Excuse me, what time is the bus?
The bus is at 5 p.m.
Did you hear that? The bus is at 5 p.m. You can also say, the bus is at 6 a.m. The bus is at 7 p.m.
Repeat. The bus is at 5 p.m.
Nice. Simple and clear. Listen again. Excuse me, what time is the bus?
The bus is at 5 p.m.
Part 4. Asking if you are in the right place.
Sometimes you are not sure. You can ask, is this the right bus stop?
Repeat. Is this the right bus stop?
Another one. Does this bus go to the city center?
Repeat. Does this bus go to the city center?
Listen. Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does. Let's understand this. Does this bus go to is very useful.
You can say, does this bus go to the market? Does this bus go to the hospital?
Repeat one more time. Does this bus go to the city center?
Listen. Excuse me, does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does.
Part 5. Full conversation practice. Extended. All right, let's start directly with full conversations. Listen carefully.
Listen. Excuse me, which bus goes to the railway station?
Take bus number 8.
Okay, thank you. What time is the bus?
The bus is at 7 p.m.
Does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Discuss. Good. This was a simple and complete conversation.
Let's understand it step by step.
First sentence. Excuse me, which bus goes to the railway station?
You can change railway station to any place.
For example, which bus goes to the hospital? Which bus goes to the mall?
Now repeat.
Which bus goes to the railway station? Nice.
Next, take bus number 8.
Very simple. Just change the number.
Repeat.
Take bus number 8. Then, what time is the bus?
Repeat.
What time is the bus? And finally, does this bus go to the city center?
Repeat.
Does this bus go to the city center?
Listen again.
Excuse me, which bus goes to the railway station?
Take bus number 8.
What time is the bus?
The bus is at 7 p.m.
Does this bus go to the city center?
Yes, it does.
Part 6. Asking again when you don't understand.
Sometimes you don't understand. That's okay.
Yes, you can ask again politely.
You can say, sorry, can you repeat, please?
Repeat. Can you repeat, please?
Another useful sentence, I don't understand.
Repeat. I don't understand.
Listen.
Excuse me, which bus goes to the market?
Take bus number 12.
Sorry, can you repeat, please?
Take bus number 12.
Oh, okay, thank you. Discuss. See? Very natural.
Don't feel shy.
It's okay to ask again.
Repeat again. Can you repeat, please?
Good job. Listen again.
Sorry, can you repeat, please?
Take bus number 12.
Part 7. Asking about distance. Now let's talk about distance.
You can ask, is it far?
Repeat. Is it far?
Or is it near?
Repeat. Is it near?
Listen, excuse me, how do I go to the bus station?
Go straight.
Is it far?
No, it is near. Discuss. Far means long distance.
Near means short distance.
Repeat. It is far. It is near.
Listen again. Is it far?
No, it is near.
Part 9. Mini role play practice. Now let's do role play. Listen and then you can practice. Listen.
Excuse me, does this bus go to the hospital?
No, it doesn't.
Okay, which bus goes to the hospital?
Take bus number 4.
What time is the bus?
The bus is at 8 a.m.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Discuss. Did you notice? No, it doesn't.
This is a negative answer.
Repeat. No, it doesn't.
Listen again.
Does this bus go to the hospital?
No, it doesn't.
Part 10. Longer real-life conversation.
Now a longer conversation. Listen carefully.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
I want to go to the city center.
Okay, take bus number 10.
Where is the bus stop?
Go straight and turn left.
Is it far?
No, it is near.
What time is the bus?
The bus is at 6 p.m.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Discuss. This is a real-life conversation.
Let's review. Can you help me? I want to go to... Where is the bus stop? Is it far? What time is the bus?
Repeat one sentence. I want to go to the city center.
Great. Keep practicing. Listen again.
I want to go to the city center.
Take bus number 10.
Part 11. Asking about bus stops. Let's continue with more real-life conversations. Listen carefully.
Listen. Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
The bus stop is near the park.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Discuss. This is a very important question. Where is the bus stop?
Repeat. Where is the bus stop?
You can change bus stop to other places.
For example, where is the bank? Where is the school?
Good job.
Listen again.
Where is the bus stop?
The bus stop is near the park. Part 12. Talking about location. Now let's talk about location words.
You can say, it is near, it is far, it is next to the shop.
Repeat. It is next to the shop.
Another useful phrase, it is in front of the building.
Repeat. It is in front of the building.
Listen.
Excuse me, where is the bus stop?
It is next to the shop.
Discuss.
Next to means beside.
Repeat. Next to.
And in front of means ahead.
Repeat. In front of.
Listen again.
Where is the bus stop?
It is next to the shop.
Part 13. Asking the driver.
Sometimes you ask the bus driver.
Yes, very common.
You can say, does this bus go to the station?
Repeat. Does this bus go to the station?
Listen. Excuse me, does this bus go to the station?
Yes, it does.
Please tell me when we arrive.
Okay. Discuss. Please tell me when we arrive is very useful.
Repeat. Please tell me when we arrive.
Good. This helps you not miss your stop.
Listen again. Please tell me when we arrive.
Okay. Part 14. Asking about ticket. Now let's talk about tickets.
You can say, how much is the ticket?
Repeat. How much is the ticket?
Another one. One ticket, please.
Repeat. One ticket, please.
Listen. One ticket, please.
That is 20 rupees.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Discuss. How you go means you give money.
Repeat. Here you go.
Nice. Very natural.
Listen again.
One ticket, please.
That is 20 rupees. Part 15. Asking about stops. Now let's learn about stops.
You can ask, does this bus stop at the market?
Repeat. Does this bus stop at the market?
Listen. Does this bus stop at the market?
Yes, it does.
Discuss. Stop at means the bus will pause there.
Repeat. Stop at.
Listen again. Does this bus stop at the market?
Yes, it does. Part 17. Problem situation.
Now a problem situation. Listen carefully. Listen. Excuse me, I think I am lost.
Don't worry. Where do you want to go?
I want to go to the hospital.
Okay. Take bus number 6.
Thank you so much.
Discuss. I think I am lost is very useful.
Repeat. I am lost.
And don't worry is kind and friendly.
Repeat. Don't worry.
Listen again.
I am lost.
Don't worry. Part 17. Full long conversation practice. Now a full long conversation. Listen carefully.
Listen. Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Where is the bus stop?
It is in front of the bank.
Thank you. Which bus goes to the market?
Take bus number 2.
Does this bus stop at the hospital?
Yes, it does.
What time is the bus?
The bus is at 5 p.m.
Great. Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Discuss. This conversation has everything.
Let's review. Where is the bus stop? Which bus goes to? Does this bus stop at? What time is the bus?
Repeat one sentence. Where is the bus stop?
Nice work. Listen again.
Which bus goes to the market?
Take bus number 2, part 18. Practice with you. Now it's your turn.
We will ask, you answer.
Question. Which bus goes to the hospital?
You can say, take bus number 5.
Next question. Where is the bus stop?
You can say, it is near the shop.
Next, what time is the bus?
You can say, the bus is at 6 p.m.
Good job. Keep practicing.
Part 19. Asking about waiting time. Listen carefully.
Listen. Excuse me. How long do I wait for the bus?
You wait for 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Discuss.
Very useful question. How long do I wait for the bus?
Repeat. How long do I wait for the bus?
You can also say, how long is the wait?
Repeat. How long is the wait?
Listen again. How long do I wait for the bus?
You wait for 10 minutes. Part 20. Talking about frequency.
Now let's talk about frequency. You can say, the bus comes every 10 minutes.
Repeat. The bus comes every 10 minutes.
Another example, the bus comes every 30 minutes.
Repeat. Every 30 minutes.
Listen, excuse me, how often does the bus come?
It comes every 15 minutes. Discuss.
How often means how many times?
Repeat. How often does the bus come?
Listen again. How often does the bus come?
It comes every 15 minutes. Part 21. Talking about delay.
Sometimes the bus is late.
Yes, that happens.
You can say, the bus is late.
Repeat. The bus is late.
Or ask, is the bus late?
Repeat. Is the bus late?
Listen, excuse me, is the bus late?
Yes, it is late by 5 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Discuss. Late by 5 minutes means 5 minutes delay.
Repeat, late by 5 minutes.
Listen again.
Is the bus late?
Yes, it is late. Part 22. Asking about route.
Now let's talk about the route.
You can ask, does this bus go through the market? Repeat. Does this bus go through the market? Listen.
Does this bus go through the market?
Yes, it goes through the market. Discuss.
Go through means the bus passes that place.
Repeat. Go through.
Listen again. Does this bus go through the market?
Yes, it does. Part 23. Asking for confirmation.
Sometimes you want to confirm.
Yes, just to be sure.
You can say, this bus goes to the station, right?
Repeat. This bus goes to the station, right?
Listen. This bus goes to the station, right?
Yes, that's right. Discuss. That's right means correct.
Repeat. That's right.
Listen again.
This bus goes to the station, right?
Yes, that's right. Part 24. Missing the bus. Now a real situation.
Yes, sometimes you miss the bus.
Listen.
Oh no, I missed the bus.
Don't worry. The next bus is in 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Discuss.
I missed the bus means the bus is gone.
Repeat. I missed the bus.
The next bus means the coming bus.
Repeat. The next bus.
Listen again. I missed the bus.
The next bus is in 10 minutes. Part 25. Asking for another option.
Now let's learn another situation.
You want another option.
Listen, excuse me, is there another bus?
Yes, there is another bus at 6 p.m.
Great, thank you.
Discuss.
Is there another bus is very useful.
Repeat. Is there another bus?
Listen again. Is there another bus?
Yes, there is. Part 26. Long conversation practice. Now a longer conversation. Listen carefully. Listen.
Excuse me, can you help me?
Yes, of course.
Which bus goes to the hospital?
Take bus number 7.
How long do I wait?
You wait for 5 minutes.
Is the bus late?
No, it is on time.
Does this bus go through the market?
Yes, it does.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Discuss.
This is a complete real-life conversation.
Let's review. How long do I wait? Is the bus late? Does this bus go through? Is there another bus?
Repeat one sentence. How long do I wait?
Great work. Listen again.
Which bus goes to the hospital?
Take bus number 7. Wrap up.
You did really well today.
Now you can handle many real situations at a bus stop.
Let's repeat key phrases. How long do I wait? How often does the bus come? Is the bus late? I missed the bus. Is there another bus?
Practice these daily.
You are becoming more confident.
And now our question for you.
Tell us in the comments. Do you like traveling by bus or not?
We want to know your answer.
See you in the next part.
Keep practicing every day.
Bye.